Hello everyone, welcome to my next video on PNF patterns. In this video you will get to know how to remember the upper extremity PNF patterns easily. Let's get into the video. Upper extremity PNF patterns la pathona we have two patterns, D1 pattern and D2 pattern. So rendu pattern me vandu pathona it is further divided into flexion pattern and extension pattern. So at the final we have D1 flexion pattern, D1 extension pattern, D2 flexion pattern and D2 extension pattern. So இந்த patterns வந்துட்டு எப்படி ஈஸியாக ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணலான்றது தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். First you can draw a circle with 4 quadrants. Outside the circle at the top you can mark it as radial deviation and bottom of the circle you can mark it as ulnar deviation. On the right side you can mark it as adduction and on the left side you can mark it as abduction. At the top you can mark it as external rotation and at the bottom you can mark it as internal rotation. Now we will see how to remember the upper extremity patterns easily. First one is D1 flexion pattern. So D1 flexion pattern ku kondu varanona first starting position வந்து D1 extension pattern la irukano. So D1 extension pattern la irundha dhaan D1 flexion pattern ku வந்து limb kondu vara porom. So as the name suggests D1 flexion pattern la shoulder வந்து பாத்தோனா it will be in flexion position. Further என்னென்ன positions இருக்கும்னு பாத்தோனா you can watch it with the help of the arrow mark. So shoulder will be flexed, adducted and it will be externally rotated. Next one wrist வந்து பாத்தோனா it will be radially deviated. So further என்னென்ன positions இருக்குன்றத பார்க்கலாம். As we saw earlier, shoulder will be in flexion position, adduction and external rotation. Elbow வந்து பாத்தோனா it is extended and forearm is supinated. Wrist is flexed, fingers are flexed and wrist வந்து பாத்தோனா again it is radially deviated. So this is what is the D1 flexion pattern. Next pattern வந்து பாத்தோனா D1 extension pattern. D1 extension pattern க்கு கொண்டு வரணும்னா starting position must be D1 flexion pattern. So முதல்ல D1 flexion பார்த்தோம், அதுக்கு இதுதான் வந்து direction of arrow mark, but now you can see the change in the direction. So D1 flexion ல இருந்து D1 extension க்கு போறதுக்கு you can easily remember the patterns with this arrow mark and as the name suggests D1 extension ல வந்து பார்த்தோனா shoulder will be in extended position, further it will be abducted and it will be internally rotated. Wrist வந்து பார்த்தோனா it will be ulnarly deviated. Further என்னென்ன positions இருக்கும்னு பார்த்தோனா as we saw earlier, shoulder will be extended, it will be abducted and internally rotated. Elbow வந்து பார்த்தோனா it will be extended, forearm it will be pronated, wrist will be extended, finger will be extended and further wrist will be ulnarly deviated. So இதுதான் D1 extension pattern. Next one is D2 flexion pattern. D2 flexion க்கு கொண்டு வரணும்னா starting position will be D2 extension pattern. So D2 extension ல இருந்து D2 flexion க்கு கொண்டு வரும்போது என்னென்ன patterns இருக்கணும்ன்றத we can easily remember with the help of arrow mark. As the name suggests, D2 flexion நாலே shoulder will be in flexion position, further it will be abducted and externally rotated. Wrist வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா it will be radially deviated. We could see here shoulder வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா it is flexed, abducted, externally rotated. Elbow it is extended, forearm it is supinated, wrist is extended, fingers are extended, further wrist is radially deviated. So this is what is D2 flexion pattern. Next one வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா D2 extension pattern. D2 extension க்கு கொண்டு வரணும்னா starting position will be D2 flexion pattern. முதல்ல பார்த்தோம் D2 flexion க்கு கொண்டு வரும்போது this was the direction of arrow mark and now you could see the change in direction and you can easily remember the patterns. As the name suggests, D2 extension pattern ல பார்த்தோன்னா shoulder will be extended, it will be adducted and internally rotated. Wrist வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா it will be ulnarly deviated. You could see here D2 extension ல shoulder வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா it is extended, adducted, internally rotated. Elbow it is extended, forearm pronated, wrist is flexed, fingers are flexed, further wrist is ulnarly deviated. So this is what is D2 extension pattern. So with this image as well as the direction of arrow mark, you can easily remember upper extremity PNF patterns. Thank you.